Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday morning. Robert and I are about to head out the door. We are going to Denver, Colorado. We are going to the Low Carb Denver Conference. Super excited about that. I think it'll be a really great opportunity. It's been a while since I've been able to actually go to one of the conferences with Robert, so I'm super excited about that. We are going to drive. It's going to be about 13.5-hour drive. I believe we're going to stop in the middle to go to the gym, and we're getting a late start. So, oh, Robert just went for a run. He went for his 2-mile run today, and we're about to head out the door. Jacko, Jackson, what are you going to do? What are you going to do while we're gone? Corey's going to watch you. Corey and Bridget are going to come watch you, huh? Cuteness. Goodbye, Jack. Goodbye, Jack. I love you.
Alright, y'all, so in classic fashion here, we are at Starbucks while we're getting ready for our trip. We never drink coffees anymore.
I do all the time.
I'm just joking. We do drink coffee still. So yeah, we're gonna get coffee. It's raining right now. Hopefully the weather's not too bad. And we're gonna hit the road and probably get there at midnight. So, yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all. We're just cruising along here. Crystal's on the steering wheel. I just finished up a client call, eating a keto brick, the new keto brick flavor. Putting down some miles, y'all. Putting down some miles. Alright, y'all. We just left the Hillbilly Hideout, which is a gas station here in Northwest Arkansas. In Arkansas. Hillbilly Hideout. You know it'd be in Arkansas. Anyway, so I got some chicken wings, Cajun seasoning, so no sauce. Crystal got some
brisket,
and she's gonna put some salt on there. It doesn't look very fatty brisket.
No, and the fat is like gross.
Weird. I just had a keto brick, so that's gonna kind of help balance out the fat ratio on my chicken wings here. What's going on, everybody? We're getting some fuel, some petroleum distillates, some gasoline at a quick trip. Where are we, babe? Muskogee, Oklahoma?
I have no idea. We are in Oklahoma.
We are in Oklahoma. And we're going to stop by Starbucks yet again to get some fuel for us, because we have like 10 hours left to go. So, see you there. Alright, here we are at a Starbucks. There's a Sprouts over there. Sprouts. I've never been to a Sprouts grocery store before. I hear it's pretty good though.
What are you doing?
Somebody once said on a video that I'm always trying to get pictures of Crystal's butt in the footage. Not intentional. Alright, y'all, we are somewhere in Kansas and we're at a Love's truck stop. So we got the Love's truck stop going on there. And you know, when you're traveling, you gotta stay on top of your goals. You can't let traveling get in the way. You can't let traveling get in the way of your training. You can't let traveling get in the way of anything. And right now, one of my goals is to get better with the bow that I got the other day. So I brought the bow, I brought the target. I'm gonna set it up on the side of the road and start shooting. All right, y'all, so about 20 yards out here from the target, sitting at the side of the Love's gas station, hammering some arrows. Gotta love it. Alright, y'all, it is 8 o'clock in the evening. We're gonna get something to eat real quick. We have a small one-horse town here, but we have a Wendy's.
Snowing.
And it's snowing, and they use grass-fed beef, and they don't cook in oils. They just cook it on water. Alright, so there's my burger patties. I got 6 of them, and Crystal got the bunless burger. This is only the 3rd time I've eaten at Wendy's since starting keto. Danny and I ate at Wendy's, and he was like, there was some kind of study done, and they tested all the fast food chains, and they had the cleanest beef, which is the only reason I'll occasionally eat at Wendy's. So supposedly,
Like, I think ever in my life.
first time in your life. What do you think? Is it good or bad?
It's fast food.
Five Guys status?
No, not even close.
Not even close to Five Guys. One thing I almost forgot, we brought our Redmond's real salt in. You gotta have the real salt when you're doing the burger patties, because that's the only way to do it. Wendy's run is complete. Nothing special. Not impressed. Back to the road. Alright, y'all, we just got here. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. We're exhausted. Crystal's tired. I'm tired. This hotel is massive. Biggest building I've ever been in my entire life. So we're gonna give you a grand tour tomorrow, but we'll show you the hotel room tonight as soon as we find a map to find the room. So stay tuned. Just to give you a little perspective, I don't know how many rooms are in this thing, but we are in room 4,119. You know hotels have that many rooms. Found it. Unlocked it with the phone. Where the lights at? We have 2 little beds here, or 2 big beds. I feel like this is not our room. Pretty sure I got 1 key.
What?
That's weird. Where's the lights? Bathroom. Big old shower. 2-person sink. Huge closet. Here's the lights. No closet. I like it. I like it. Super clean. Alright, y'all, I'm like deliriously tired right now, so I'm gonna go to bed. Crystal's gonna go to bed, and we're gonna see you in the morning. Get ready, Low Carb Denver is about to commence.